What is up, guys? Today we have a review of the new version of the LTE modem or 4G modem, which is from the ZTE brand, the Chinese famous brand here. And actually we've got the model is MF79U, and the price of this is around $30. You can get it on AliExpress or in your local store. And it's sort of USB dongle, or you can connect it to power bank, you can connect it to any source of power, to your laptop, and you will have the shared Wi-Fi here. So from the characteristics, there is nothing indicated here. Let's just finally open it up and check what's inside and make some testing. So like this. That's getting easier, but they pack it quite well, I can tell you. Okay, opened. Let's put it aside and find the dongle here. So we have some warranty card, some other papers. Let's check it out. So, indicating the settings in the local language, so how it looks like, where you can insert the micro SIM. Also, that's how it looks like actually. Also some indication how it works, how to open it, how to connect it, how to insert it, etc. So how you can use the USB, although how to change the Wi-Fi. I don't know whether there is app, only the website I guess available. And actually that's pretty much it from the information provided here. Only thing is interesting that it has micro SD. I don't know why. So basically there's the package. Let's put aside. It's really small. It's hand size here, and it looks like old school USB, just like regular USB, but quite old. What we have here is connectors. That is quite nice. So you can connect the external antennas here, and it will be supported. 2 antennas. Also, let's open it. Here we have USB, warranty protection here, and just nothing special. And we have some more. I guess it should be opened here. Yeah, that's we have here. You have Wi-Fi and password. Here we have micro SD SIM card. I don't know really why. We can check it. Here is micro SD. Here is micro SIM. Basically that's pretty much it what it has. Nothing special here. Reset button also. So let's use some sort of power bank here. I've got the Xiaomi power bank and turn it on, see whether it works. Okay, so it's working. We have the indicator here of no network. Now I will take a SIM card out of my phone and let's make some testing. But before inserting the SIM card, let's try to make the speed test on same place here with the same SIM card. Let's click go and make a speed test. Then I will connect the SIM card here and we will see what it will show. Exactly same place. Okay, I will put my hands aside. And my phone gets up to 20, the maximum, I guess. It's 18.5 here megabits per second, ping 19, and upload speed is also around 17, 18, 19, actually maybe higher. So let's make it 2 tests, it will be more representative. You probably see it here, 18.6 and one more. This test I will not fully perform, just check the speed. Okay, ping 1 less. Okay, even less for the second time. But okay, it's growing. So we had 18 and now we have maybe similar. It will get also around 18, 19, 20. Okay, it's growing a bit, 22. Okay, let's insert the SIM card right now to the router here. Put the SIM aside, alright, and insert it here and try to connect it. Okay, SIM card like this. Oh, no, it's not for SIM card. or SIM card, how to insert it properly, or it's mini SIM card. Seems that it will not fit. Let's check the instruction here. I have a micro SIM card. This for micro SIM. It's number 6, micro SIM. Okay. I don't know how to insert it properly then. Okay, so I guess it's nano SIM card and they need a bigger one. So actually I will search for, I have some transmitter here to enlarge it like this. So I think this should be micro SIM card. We can insert it here and put inside like this. Yeah, it works. Now it works. Then let's put it here and try to connect to Wi-Fi. Okay, no network as for now. For Wi-Fi, let's search for it. Okay, seems didn't find it. The name should be, it was indicated somewhere. It was on the box, I guess. The password. Okay, key actually is written here. So let's make a photo of it and just copy paste it. I'll put everything useless outside. Paste the password, connect here. Now it's connecting. You see, we will have just 2 indicators, nothing more. Okay, so seems it's connected. Let's try the speed test directly out of the box. Go. Let's see the results here. Okay, ping is higher, speed is actually lower, as I see now. But not that lower, but still lower than it can be. 15. Okay, upload speed is higher, actually 30. Seems strange, need to do the test again. Let's see when it's over. So it's 28 and 14. Let's try one more time. Okay, now same. For upload around 14, even less. So on the phone we've got a bit higher, but in general it's still not bad, you know, as it's still almost same speed, and for upload it's even higher. So actually that's the result. I will not finish it now here. And now let's open the settings. Here is the address that you need to enter when you connect it. Okay, change the language. And we have the password. This password from the box, I guess. Finally, it can be useful. 55 YB. Login. Accept. Okay, so we have here the operators that you connected. So connection mode, you can select manual, allow roaming, and make some settings here. Statistics, traffic cleaner, data plan, data management. You can limit somehow the usage of your data. Wi-Fi settings, you have 2.4 only, but it's enough. Security standards like this. You can change the name and password here. WPC option can be available as well. And password, so login, password, update management. Let's check for updates. Maybe something's available for this device. Still checking. Let's see. At least it has the internet. That's the current software version. So it was released in July 2024. So it's brand new. Now it's September 2024. And so it's less than 2 months from the release date, meaning that I don't think there will be some updates available. So that's the latest version as for now. You can see it in front of you. You can restart device from here, and you have PC option. Let's try PC option here. Maybe we'll have more settings. So quick guide, Wi-Fi settings here, SSD name, operator name, signal strengths, logout, no need, connection status, valid SIM card, number of user, and nothing more here. Automatic manual, network selection, automatic manual, APN also can be selected here. Here on the side you have SIM card number, IMEI, and signal strength. Also you've got additional settings like firewall. Here can be set it up, let's say, filtering. Actually everything is disabled by default. That is good. Router settings, so IP addresses, etc. can be selected here. Update options available, auto check for new version. So I'll just check it, and others here, reset, restart, pin management, network information. Okay, you can see here the band that is connected, the signal strengths, the cell ID, and the frequency even can be checked here. Also you can schedule the reboot option, so current local time, also available developer options. I don't know, you need password again, will not do it. Backup and restore, so you can make a backup of the settings. Actually quite a lot of settings for such device for $30. So as you see, the speed limits, you already saw how it looks like. So we are back to mobile version. You already saw how it looks like. That's actually the device itself. It's quite small, but still really reliable and should work fine. So I'll make a testing of it for several weeks and maybe create a new video. But as for now, you see that the speed is maybe 15% lower than premium phone. I have Samsung Galaxy S23 Ultra, so it's quite expensive phone. That's why the speed may be higher, but I think the speed here will be similar to the speed of the budget phones. So it's still quite well. And basically that's pretty much it for the review. In case you still have some questions, put them in the comments below, put the thumbs up, and see you next time.